This is the magnificent Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera with a 100 to 500 zoom, and compared to other DSLRs, this is very lightweight, very portable, and it produces images of exceptional quality. It's lightweight, it's portable, but it doesn't fit in your pocket, does it? You're not always going to have it handy, which is why I want to tell you a little bit about this little gadget that I've been using, the Canon PowerShot Zoom. This, I think, is a real asset for naturalists. You see, very often when we're out and about, we capture images on our phones of things that interest us, and those images can be quite good if they're plants or fungi or something that you can get close to, because the lenses on our cameras are invariably wide angle, which means that you have to get close. Therefore, if it's something flighty like a butterfly or a bird, you're not going to get the image. And I'm afraid I do get to see lots of pictures taken on people's phones of like two little dots saying, please can you tell me which species of bird this is, and frankly I can't, because it's too far away and the picture's no good. But this is great, and it's really simple to use. PowerShot Zoom comes with a 100 and 400 optical zoom and an 800 digital zoom. It's lightweight, weighs about the same as your phone, 145 grams, 12 megapixel, image stabilised. You can shoot video or you can take still photographs here. It's got no screen, so how do you see it? Well, you download the Canon Connect app on your phone, and then it connects to your phone, where it immediately uploads all of the images or the videos so that you can share them however you like, or you can use it remotely. So you can still leave this resting somewhere like that and then control it using your phone. You can zoom in, you can take videos, you can take still photographs. Just controlling your phone. You could be standing 20-40 meters away thanks to the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Charges really easily as well. Plug it into your laptop, plug it into the car. It's a nice shape. It fits easily into your pocket. You never know it's there until you need it. And I've already got some really good pictures of birds on this, and what I'm really looking forward to, and where I think it's going to come into its own, is with things like insects, you know, which are only a few meters away, but you can't get to within centimeters of them to get that image. The PowerShot Zoom will do the job, and if you don't know what they are, you can post those images onto social media and someone will identify them.